Hi, it's Nikki from Happy Hormones for Life. And today I'm talking about one of the most favorite things that I often recommend to people, and that is yoga. So I discovered yoga about 10 years ago, and I've been a massive fan ever since. It took me a while to find the right class, but once I did, I wasn't going anywhere else. For one, it makes me really slow down in the fast-paced, busy world that we're in. That is a key one for me. But the strength and flexibility that I have from it are real added bonuses. And I kind of thought, well, that's about it, really. It's a great thing to do, but those are the main benefits. So, I know it works for me, but I wondered if there was much scientific evidence. So I did a bit of research on it, and I found 11 based health benefits that I'm just going to go through today. So I've got my little yogi statue in my office. I thought I'd sit her down there just to kind of add to the vibe. So number one, it's a big stress reliever. No surprise there. I talk about stress and cortisol an awful lot, especially in terms of how cortisol can make us tired, irritable, foggy, and fat. Plus, it can be the difference between a relatively smooth perimenopause, menopause, and a very bumpy one. Cortisol can often be the major difference or the main factor in that. And yoga has been shown to reduce cortisol levels. So plus for that. Number two, it relieves anxiety and depression. So along the same lines, yoga has been shown in several studies to reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. And that is a much more common thing as we go through perimenopause and menopause and beyond. Number three, it supports your heart. So obviously all that blood flow increases circulation, but it's also been shown to lower blood pressure and LDL cholesterol. So all good for heart health. Number four, it helps to reduce pain. So some studies have shown that yoga can relieve pain in people with carpal tunnel syndrome and osteoarthritis. So those are the studies that have been done, but I'm imagining that it's going to be helping with other kinds of pain as well. Number five, it improves your bone density. Now, we know that yoga is weight bearing, so we know that helps with bone density. But one study showed that just 12 minutes of yoga a day helped improve bone density in spine and the femur and the legs, helping to prevent and improve osteoporosis. Number six, it helps with your sleep. So there's some evidence that yoga can increase sleep quality and duration, and even secretion of melatonin, which we know is your sleep hormone, and that declines with age. So all good so far. Number seven, it improves your flexibility, your balance, your strength, and your posture. And those are physical things. If you've ever practiced yoga, you'll know how it does that. Number eight, it improves breathing and lung function. Because you're doing so much deep breathing, regular yogic breathing can help improve your lung capacity. Number nine, it can help with migraines. Who knew? Studies have shown significant improvement in migraine symptoms after regular yoga. There's a guy who comes to my regular yoga practice, my class, and he came because he felt he had a lot of migraines. And after just 4 weeks of regular classes, his migraines have gone and he doesn't have them anymore. No scientific study there, no random controlled trial, but another anecdote. Number 10, it strengthens your immune system. So research has shown, this is really interesting, that yoga can affect the gene expression of your white blood cells, your leukocytes and your lymphocytes, so that they can better fight infection. Who knew? And the last thing it does, it can help your brain work better. Just 20 minutes of yoga has shown to help with processing information and focus. How can one activity have so many benefits? For me, it's the perfect exercise for hormone balances. It just ticks all the boxes, particularly for women of our age. And to be honest, it just makes me feel good. That's why I do it. It makes me feel so good afterwards, relaxed, just serene. You get this kind of real serenity afterwards. And I'm always walking taller and sitting taller after a class. Not that much of that I can explain, but the studies back that up. And what I'd say was, a lot of people say to me, well, I tried it, I didn't really like it. And what I would say, I've got some tips for you. So first of all, try different classes, because there are so many different types of yoga and so many different types of teacher. So please don't give up if you didn't enjoy that particular class. go and find another one, find another class or another teacher, and keep looking until you find the right one. When you find the right one, you'll know it and you won't want to leave. Secondly, people say, oh, you know, I'm not very flexible. It really doesn't matter if you're not flexible. You don't want to be comparing yourself to the gymnasts in the class. Yoga is for everybody. It's not a competition. It's your class, and you do it at your own pace and your own ability, and you'll be fine. I think it's a gift to your body. So just, you know, don't worry about everybody else. And if you can afford private lessons, do that. And also, you know, I think it's people say, oh, you know, it's not fitness, it's not real exercise, it's just stretching. And I say, well, actually, no, that the point is that it's slow. It's good for you because it's slow. And, you know, we need to be slowing down and we need to stretch. And, you know, this research suggests that it has all these benefits because of that aspect of it. And especially true for women over 40 with hormone imbalances. You know, we are stressed already. We need to slow down. We need to de-stress. And yoga is really, really helpful for us to slow down, breathe. And that's exactly what the body needs at this stage. So I hope you found that helpful. Hope put in the comments if you've tried yoga or if you like particular classes, or if you have any questions at all, put them in the comments. And do get in touch if you need help. All right, guys, see you soon. Bye.